Guys, this is my first Blender tutorial. I will be going over the basics in this tutorial and a really small introduction to my website. The first thing that you need to know is that I am using a mouse, a normal mouse, not a mouse pad. It has a left and right click and a mouse scroll wheel that can also be clicked down. I'm using a Mac, and I think that's pretty much it. So first thing that you'll need to know is how to zoom in and out. To do that, just scroll in and out. And to make a 3D view, you click down on the scroll and just move your mouse around. And as you'll see, everything is now 3D. It's not like two-dimensional. So, as you can see here, we have three objects. This is a light, this is a camera, and this is just a cube. First thing you'll need to know is that when you select an object, it turns a pinkish color, kind of pink. So that's how you know what you have selected. To select more than one object, I can right-click the cube. That's how you select something. You right-click it, and then hold Shift and right-click another thing. And that'll select you two things. You can select as many objects as you want using that method. So the first thing we'll be going over is just select the cube here and click G for grab. So that's just going to move it around. So you can move it that way, up and down, stuff like that. But say you wanted to just move it up and down. Well, you can click G and Z. So you just you click G, or you push G, and just push Z. And this cube can only go along the Z axis. The three axes are the X, the Y, and the Z axis. You'll probably be using them a lot, so it'd probably be good to remember them. So that's how you move a cube. The next thing is to make it bigger or smaller, and for that use the size key. So click S and drag out to make it larger and in to make it smaller. So just click when you have the size that you want. Just make it that big. I don't know. You can also size along only the X, the Y, and the Z axis. The last thing we'll be going over today is how to rotate something. So click R, and then if you want to rotate along the X-axis, click X, Y, and Z. So it's the same thing for grab, size, and rotate. The X, Y, and Z is all the same. So that's pretty much it. In this lesson, you learned how to rotate a cube, make it bigger and smaller, and how to select objects, and how to move around that cube. So that's Dehisile from Blender3dtutorials.com. Bye.